Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Do you have a veranda or garden and want to attract birds or backyard birds by having an allied heated bird bath? Would you like to have a cozy bird spa so that birds will surely flock into your garden? If you're looking for a cozy spa, then we have the product for you. We would like you to know about the non-heated dish for a cozy spa. Now you can attract backyard birds with the technology, style, and convenience this dish offers. This item feels like a five-star resort for your feathered friends, providing the comfort and style they'll flock into. The center island creates a shallow, natural puddle to attract small birds. This item is made of durable materials that look and feel like natural granite for the perfect natural finish, which will surely catch the eyes of your feathered friends, and they resist corrosion and even scale buildup. This is ideal for your veranda, yard, patio, lawn, or garden. Here with product information. Type is non-heated. Manufacturer is Allied Precision. Dimensions are 4.5 by 20.75 by 20.5. Weight is 7.33. Birds, friends, visitors, and even family members will surely notice this elegant looking dish. So now that you know all the details about this product, then it's time to have it. Grab the non-heated dish for a cozy spa today at a very affordable price, and see to it that every beautiful bird will be flocking in your garden. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.